Hi, today we'll make a simple program within Java, and in this program we will use java.lang java.math package, because in this program we will use math class function. So for this, let us start. We have to solve this expression which contain square root as well as powers and a cos function also. So all these functions we will use with the help of math class to solve this expression. So let us start. We'll make a program for this. First of all, we'll go to notepad++. We'll take a new file by Control N. To read value of a, b and x, we will import a package that is util. Then we'll take a class. We can say calculate, and in this class we will add main method. Now we will make an object of scanner class to read data from user. First of all, to solve this expression we have to read value of a, b and x. So we will print message enter value value of a, and we will read value of a equals to sc.next int. Simply we will copy and paste this line, and we'll read enter value of b and enter value of x. After reading all these values, we will apply this formula. For this we will take variable side. We are calculating side in this formula, so we will take variable side equals to, and we will say first of all we have to apply square root. So for this we will take math.sqrt, square root. Sqrt is for this square root which contain this entire formula in it. So we will take square root. After square root will come in this bracket, and will calculate power of a. For this we will take math.pow. Pow is power a comma 2, because a is square. So we will calculate a comma 2, power of a is 2, plus math.spow, power of b is 2, power of b is 2, then minus 2 into a into b, 2 into b, and this entire will close in a bracket. So we'll take a bracket from here to here. After this we will take this cos x. For this we will apply into math.cos x, and this entire process will keep in a bracket of sqrt. So this is the entire sqrt process which contain first this formula a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is this, and that in multiplication contain cos x, like this. After calculation we will print this system.out.println value, or we can say side, which is we are calculated here side. Now we will save this program first with this name calculate. calculate.java. We will save this program in JDK bin folder. We will go to my computer, C drive, JDK bin. To run a program, JDK must be installed on your computer. Now we'll open command prompt. CL. For this, first of all, we'll go to like this. First of all, we'll go to JDK, CD, JDK, tab, enter, CD, bin, enter, and Java calculate.java. Compiled this program. Now we will run Java calculate, enter value of a. First of all, we will enter value of a, that is 25, value of b, that is 20, and value of x, that is suppose 90. Result is this. Then we will take some other values, 2, 4, 1. So this is the result calculated. Like this we can calculate result by using math class function. Here we use 3 functions of math class: square root to calculate square root, power for power calculation, and cos to find out the cos value. So in this program I told you how we can use math class function. If you want to ask something regarding anything of this program, you can ask me through comment box. Beside this, in the description of this video, I will add these questions, so you can sort out all these questions at home. And if you feel some problem or any difficulties in this question, you can ask me through comment. Thanks for watching.